Hello everyone, welcome to Diary of a Trader, where we are now going to analyze the best Forex deals of the week. The best Forex bonus this week is offered by OctaFX, and they will reward all their clients with a 100% bonus on their deposits until December 31st, 2018. As I said, the bonus is available to all their clients, and to claim it, they just need to make a deposit and request the bonus. Are you a new client? In this case, just click the link on this video or below. In the video description, open a new account, verify it, and claim your bonus. The bonus can be withdrawn after trading one lot for each $2 bonus. Another very interesting welcome bonus is being offered by VolumeFX this week. And we don't want you to miss out on the $30 for $30 Forex trading bonus. This bonus is available for new clients, and you can get your $30 bonus in BTC just by opening a new account and depositing $30. To be clear, they give you $30 in Bitcoin of no withdrawable credit just for you signing up for your first live account, and you can keep any and all profit you make with it. We didn't find any info about their regulation or licenses on this broker's website. This is why you won't find any link to it either in this video or in the description below. Our intent is to let our followers know what is new in the Forex market and what bonuses there are, and the offers or the events they can take advantage of. But we will never promote or suggest you to open an account with a broker that is not regulated or licensed. We are only informing you about what these guys offer. But before opening an account with them, we strongly recommend you to take all necessary measures to not lose your money. Going ahead, there are plenty of great Forex bonuses this week, with WelTrade offering another great 100% bonus to clients' deposits up to $10,000. The bonus is available for all clients, and the only thing you need to do is to make a deposit of no less than $200, and the bonus will be automatically granted to you. However, it cannot be withdrawn, just used for trading purposes. You won't find a link to this broker's site either, since the company is regulated by the National Bank of Republic of Belarus, so a non-EU authority. But let's change topic and move to the educational side. As usual, this week is full of stimulating webinars, so let's take a look at them. As every one of our followers should already know, XM offers webinars in 18 languages with 36 webinar instructors every week. You can consult their schedule by visiting www.xm.com/webinarsglobal and simply clicking on the schedule button next to the language or country you are interested in. You can scroll up and down the entire calendar and simply click on the webinar you are interested in to read more about the topic, instructors, time, etc. The webinars are free for all XM clients, so everything you need to do to open an account with them is in the link below or in the one in the video description. Other daily webinars are offered by DailyFX at www.dailyfx.com/webinars, where you can find a lot of webinars related to market key events or aim to give you deeper insights into fundamental and technical analysis techniques. To read more info about the topic of the webinar, just click on the Register Now button and you will get a small summary of the topic and an in-depth presentation of the instructors and their background. The webinars are free for all IG clients, so everything you need to do to open an account with them can be found in the link below or in the one in the video description. Another interesting webinar on the fundamental analysis is being offered next week by FBS, and to take part in it, you will need to open an account with this broker. Once again, I have the links below. Those are the interesting events with regards to educational content, but there are some great contests this week instead that you should take advantage of. We have the Trade Day Forex Weekly Demo Contest, which is an excellent chance for everyone to test their knowledge, acquire new skills, and earn the real prize, which can become your initial deposit or increase your capital. All contests from ContestFX project are held on demo accounts and don't require an initial investment. One day, one chance to book a prize. The contest starts every Wednesday at 12 p.m. and ends every Thursday at 11:59 a.m. All the ContestFX registered clients can take part in the day trade contest and challenge to win a $700 to $50 prize depending on the final acquired position. To cash out your bonus, you will then need to trade a required number of lots. Take part in the Forex contest and get real money prize and bonuses for demo trading this week. Also join the Forex Cup trading contest from FX Open. Get involved in this weekly and monthly trading contest that is held among demo accounts. Show your trading skills and power and win exciting prizes. Just open your e-wallet with FX Open, download the MT4 and pick the Forex Cup trading contest to take part in. Also, this week you can participate in the C-Trader weekly demo contest held by OctaFX and get the chance to win cash prizes. Trade with the C-Trader trading platform while chasing the $400 cash prize found by registering for the contest with OctaFX. Prize money is withdrawable. Thanks a lot for following us.